Alright, here we go again. Let's check out today's damage. Yeah, ground is really moving. Wheelbarrow's still above ground. Got water in it. Oh shit, everything's... You can hear the water dripping from here. There are the cracks in the wall doing. Oh, they look like they're separating more. Trying to get down without going through the ground. Oh yeah, see it. Right there, yep. It's a nice big old crack. Wow. I can't believe how much this ground has moved. This is complete devastation. I'm gonna try to step down here. Right here is not safe. I can't imagine it. Here's much better. I'm stepping on it a little bit. Sorry if the camera's not like focused. Oh yeah, some of the bricks are starting to fall down. There's the footer though. Can't believe she held up over the winds last night. Alright, I'm gonna pause you and we'll check from the inside. Alright folks, I just noticed this. Look at this entire hillside here. It has cracked. The land has cracked and opened up. This is insane. This wasn't back as far as it was. This entire part of the hillside, my part of the hillside, is completely moving forward. It's going to engulf the house. I can't even begin to believe that. Just my side too. That crack. Whole way down. And there's hillside moving slowly more and more forward. Alright, we're inside again. Get the flashlight out. I don't know how to turn on the light when I'm doing this. So, still have water. Obviously a lot more daylight up there now. It's still in the same place, which is amazing. Chimney's inside the chimney's done. I don't know, I guess I'm just waiting for this nightmare to be over. It's gotta be over soon, right? You'd think. Look at that. That is still barely, I don't know how that, sorry, I don't know how that pipe is holding that. I don't get it. My old chair. Poor chair. Oh, man. Oh, shit. I about fell. Wow. Bet there was some money hidden in that fireplace that no one knew about. There's still a lot of ground underneath that patio over there. That's why it ain't moving. Alright. I don't want to step on any part of the rest of it though, because there isn't any. Oh man, this is, every time I come in here it gets just worse and worse and worse. There's that, look at that, that's worse even there. That, oh, that's new. Brick popped out of there. Wow. I don't even know why I gotta play the game with the insurance company Tuesday for them to tell me that I'm gonna be homeless. That's right, folks, I'm not playing around. I know, it seems like I'm just, I don't know. I don't know what anyone's thinking. I don't know why people aren't understanding. But this is fucking for real. This is the real deal. I can actually hear that chimney moving. That is scary. Like, I'm just waiting for it to just tumble down. I'm surprised it hasn't. Sorry. I'm not focusing on where I'm actually talking about. I apologize. I don't know, folks. I'll pause you again. Alright, folks. I am in the spare bedroom, my dog's bedroom. If you look at the floor, it's bowing. I probably shouldn't even be in here, but I am. Document everything. Why the hell not, right? Even when I walked over here, it started creaking really bad. So I'm not gonna spend much time over here. Okay, folks, I'm in the kitchen. Look at how that is. And then we're gonna focus here on the crack. All the way up. And over. It goes any further than that, but yeah. Oh wow, look at the fucking crack over there. This is insane. This is just getting worse day by day. And no one wants to be in a hurry about anything. So I guess we're not in a hurry. I'm standing where there's nothing underneath me. Perfectly good wheelbarrow for anybody who wants to come get it. I know I shouldn't walk out on here. Everything is just a fucking mess, man. There's that hillside. You can actually see the neighbor's fences bowing towards. This isn't what I was expecting when I bought this house. Never. I don't know how anything is staying up at the moment at all. I better get the hell away from this before it decides it wants to go on me. I'm just gonna leave that like that. Fuck it. Yeah, my kitchen's a mess just because I was stirring shit around because I didn't give a fuck. Oh man. I'm gonna pause you guys.